Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Phala network. In today's video, we will take a look at this big breakout from this down channel. And in my previous videos, we have been following this down channel, and I have been telling you that once Phala network will be able to break out this resistance of the channel, then there can be a huge pump or surge. And right now you can see that the price line has pumped well, and on the 4-hour time frame chart, after this rally, the price line is dropped at the support of the descending triangle. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and we will analyze, is there any possibility for another breakout from this triangle or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup that I shared with my members a few hours back, almost 9 hours ago, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal gauntlet pattern that Phala network has formed on the daily time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart. But before that, I would like to show you this very important pattern that I shared a few months back. I think on this candlestick. In the month of July 2022, when the price line completed this final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern. And you can see this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair on the monthly time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started a very powerful bullish reversal move, and so far it has rallied more than 530%. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then during this move, it has also broken out the resistance of this down channel. And you can see we have, before breaking out, by the way, we have also formed a huge double bottom at this support, at this key support of 9 cents as well. And after forming this double bottom, the price line started this bullish reversal move, and we have also broken out this next key resistance that we had here at 14.5 cents. And now, after getting rejected, by the way, by this resistance of 50 cents, we could not even have a closing above this resistance of 35 cents, and now we are struggling to save this support of 21 cents. And right now you can see the price line is exactly or almost slightly above than this support of 20 cents. And if we will have a daily closing above this support, let me take you to the daily time frame chart. Then you can see the previous candlestick was closed below 21 cents. And if this candlestick will be closed above 21 cents, then there can be a probability that this support will be saved, and then the price line can start another reversal move to the upside to break the next resistance. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then here Phala has formed this descending triangle, and you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed. So at any time we can break out or break down. For example, if we will break down the support, then after the breakdown, our target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 1.7 cents, very low from here. And in that situation, you can see it is showing us even the projection beyond this very strong and key support of 9 cents. But in my point of view, for example, if we will have a breakdown from this support, then we can drop down to this next key support, because previously it was working as a key resistance. This time it can work as a key support. That will be at 14.5 cents. We are not going as that much down to hit this target of 1.7 cents. Yes, it is possible that we may have a breakout, then we may move up to hit this target of 41.3 cents. However, if we take a look at the target, the final target for this breakout from this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $1.20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.